Now, let us take up the next question. While performing the audit of financial statement of listed company, the statutory auditor needs to maintain attitude of professional skepticism for related party relation information. State examples of the records or the document that may provide information about the related party relationships and the transaction. What is professional skepticism? Professional skepticism is an attitude of questioning mind, critical analysis, critical reasoning. So definitely when it comes to related party transaction, because sometimes the transaction may not happen on arm's length basis. When it comes to dealing with a relative, we will always have a soft corner. We'll try to give the benefit to these relatives. Okay, and that is why here the auditor should be extra cautious whenever he deals with what you can say with the related party transaction. Whenever he deals with them, he has to be very extra cautious. That's the thing actually. So that is what this question is all about. That's the thing when it talks about the related party transaction. That's the thing here. So now in this case, my dear soldiers, first of all, the auditor has to maintain a professional skepticism related to related party information. He has to review certain documents and records. So, which will provide the details about the related party relationships and related party transaction RPR RPT. What are these documents? First of all, life insurance policies which are acquired by the entity. Life insurance policy is the best thing. Then the income tax return of the entity. Then the information which is supplied to the regulatory authorities. Say example, you have supplied some information to Ministry of Corporate Affairs, to RBI, to SEBI. What is the information that is given to regulatory authorities? Then shareholders register to identify the principal shareholders. Who are the principal shareholders? So you look into the shareholders register, the statement of conflict of interest from management and those charged with governance. So is there any conflict of interest? For example, say company is purchasing goods from another company which belongs to management or which belongs to those charged with governance. Then the record of what you can see the entity's investment and pension plan, the contracts and agreement with the management and those charged with governance, and any significant contract which is not in the ordinary course of business of the company. Any invoices and correspondence from the entity's professional advisors. Then life insurance policies which are acquired by the entity. What are the life insurance policy acquired by the entity? Significant contracts which are renegotiated by the entity during the period. What are the significant contracts which are renegotiated? Internal auditors report. What is internal auditors report also? We look into the internal auditors report. Then documents which are associated with the entities filing with the securities regulator. So what are the documents which are associated with the entities filings with the securities regulator? That is another important point, my dear soldiers. That's the thing here. So all these documents you will check to find out the RPT and the RPR. Okay. So this is coming from the standard SA 550, which deals with the what you can say the related party relationships, related party transactions. Okay. We'll go to the next question.